I think it's that precise moment when we see the team. I am happy when other people are happy. I'm Pongpun Amornvivat. I am currently the Senior Executive Vice President at PTT. My role is to look over the International Trading Business Unit. I've been in this position since January of 2023. I actually just joined PTT in 2021, moving over from Thai Oil, which is also under PTT Group, and Thai Oil is the refinery flagship of PTT Group. My career actually started at Thai Oil since 1996. My last position at Thai Oil was the Executive Vice President of Strategy, looking over at Thai Oil strategic planning and also business development. I was part of many key projects at Thai Oil before I moved over to PTT. The things I value the most is teamwork. So I would always enjoy working as a team, and I believe that and tell my team that if we want to go far, go long, we need to go together. I believe wholeheartedly in team spirit and that we need to work together. Additionally, in terms of innovation, I am a strong champion of encouraging innovation and recognize that some idea maybe sometimes it initially sound a bit crazy, but if you tweak it a little bit, it could become possible and be useful to the overall company. So teamwork, innovation, those are some of the key things that I think is very important to how I approach my work. For rewarding, usually, if we do something big, and successful together, then we'll go out to have some fun, to have some dinner. And I think, for example, like when I was at Thai Oil, getting some of the key projects approved by the board. Because most of the board agenda confidential, the team have to wait outside the room. So when I go outside and was able to tell the team that, okay, guys, we have done it. The board has agreed with us and have endorsed the project. Seeing the relief, the smile, and the camaraderie of the team, I think that brings me the most joy. And I think that's the key reward for me, to see the team happy. I think it's that precise moment when we see the team finally accomplish the goal. I think that's the key thing. I'm happy when other people are happy. The most challenging task for me at PTT, it's a new job, a new role, and always bring new challenges. And especially for PTT, which is quite a unique company. PTT is both public listed company with stakeholders who wants us to maximize our profit. At the same time, PTT is also a state-owned enterprise, handling the energy security of Thailand. So it's a dual role that we as a PTT management have to understand. So it's a new challenge to try to balance those stakeholders and answer the call for both our shareholders and also the public as well. I embrace change. I like changes, and changes bring new opportunity, new challenges, and new problems. But problems, you sometimes, it's a headache for sure, but it also brings some difficult tasks that we have to overcome. PTT Trading, we are the sole trading arm of PTT Group. We operate on many fronts, including crude oil, LNG, petroleum product, and also petrochemical products, including other commodities as well. Our key concept is to use the asset of our PTT Group and use that to optimize the trading facilities and also to make sure that operational-wise, all the flagships are at the excellent level. So we use a concept called asset-backed trading, where we use those assets coming in and out of Thailand already to optimize our position and add value to the group as much as possible. Currently, we do have several offices around the world, including in Singapore, in UAE, in China, London, and the US. And those offices work together to optimize our global network under three key pillars in terms of the visions that we have. The first pillar is we want to always maximize our value, not just our value, but as the PTT Group value as well, to strengthen the group's competitiveness. The second pillar is the energy security of Thailand, whereas the PTT is the state-owned enterprise, where we are the champion of ensuring the energy security coming into Thailand. So we always look for sufficient supply, both the crude oil and also LNG, make sure that it's sufficient supply into Thailand and at the most reasonable price. The last thing is we frame it as future creations, where for PTT, under the current vision that we have, which is powering life with future energy and beyond. We always look for, explore new opportunity to pave the way for businesses beyond the fossil fuel trading that we have. We have the net zero emission target within 2050. Very challenging targets, but PTT Trading is playing a role of supporter. So we look at the potential trading of carbon credit to help to make sure that those targets are reached. Looking at the macro picture of the world, we always expect the unexpected. So we need to closely monitor the market regularly. And we do have the team that will do the in-depth analysis and look at the database and then help us make the right decision in real time and on time. We also have offices various places around the world. So we work basically 24/7 in order to enhance our scale, our scope, and our speed to make the best decision possible. We collaborate with refineries group to ensure that we have sufficient supply for their operations. Additionally, we have the efficient trading risk control system to help minimize the risk. Transparency is very important in all these because we need to have the clear integrity in our process to make sure that we are a trusted partner with everyone going forward. So in conclusion, for PTT Trading, the things that we need to do now will be to excel at what we do best, to optimize the current trade flow and also to add value to PTT Group, and also to ensure the national security that we have sufficient energy coming into Thailand at the most reasonable price. We need to add on to our new capability to answer the call for PTT 2050 net zero target. So with greener products and also carbon trading initiatives that we have. That's the key role that we do have right now, and we hope to remain relevant and be the key part of PTT Group in the long term.